So here are some choices. We can hire more sales reps. We can open some branches. A little harder here. We can add some more products, particularly difficult if they're tangentially related to what we're offering now, but they're not just more vendors of the same stuff we sell now. We can add services, value-added services, as we say. We can try new selling methods, or we can try new servicing methods. Each one of these choices we make is something that makes us different than our competitors, and it makes us different than we were before. So here are some tactical decisions. I want to throw these out at you just to draw the distinction. I don't think these are strategic decisions. They are decisions. Getting a new computer system, particularly if you have a terrible ERP system, or if you're several versions behind the current version on your ERP system, generally speaking, bad idea. A new computer system is a big commitment, but it's not a strategic decision. It's fixing a gap. Something's wrong, you need to fix it. CRM software. It's a decision. It's a tactical thing to do. It's another tool for your people to use. It won't transform your business. Expanding the warehouse if it's too small. It's solving a problem, but it's tactical. It's not strategic. Hiring an HR director. When you get to have about 100 employees, you probably need an HR director. Hiring one is not a strategic decision. It's a tactical one. You're filling a need. Doing a customer survey is not a strategic decision. It's gathering some information you might use in developing your strategy. So I want to draw the distinction. One of the pitfalls when distributors get together to do strategic planning is they get dragged into tactical conversations about the day-to-day stuff. And they aren't looking into the future, and I suggest looking into the future about 3 years. So let me tell you why that planning horizon for me is usually the right one. A year is too short. That's your annual business planning process. You hopefully are already doing that anyway. 2 years, it's not really quite enough. 3 years seems right for most companies in the rhythm of the planning cycle. You do a strategic plan, upgrade or update every 3 years, and then in the intervening years, you tie your annual operating plan to the strategic plan that you're working with and to the goals you set for 3 years out. So you're not necessarily then tying your annual operating plan to last year plus a percentage. It's along the lines of where do we have to be next year in order to get where we said we want to be 3 years from now. So it's a more of a longer term prospect.